Ford F-150 Ecoboost. Got a really nice wrap on it. Wheels, it's custom to the max, as you guys can see. What we got done on it is a full BORLA system. Cat back, as you guys can see right there. BORLA ATAK. There'll be a link in the description for it. All the way back. That's how the BORLA does it. We installed it, and we always like to tack the clamps so they don't rattle off later on. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. There it is. So it's 3" in the middle, and then 2 1/4 out the back on each side, and then into some 4" roll tips black. There and there. There she is. BORLA ATAK system. And the part number on it, there's the resonator. Another satisfied customer. There's the resonator, muffler, tailpipe. There's the part number on it, guys. Right there, 140616BC. There'll be a link in the description for it. What do you think?
I love it, dude.
He just showed up, so he loves it. That's what we like to hear. We're gonna let him hear it in a second. Next.
Yeah, right?
That sounds good. There's sound decibels again. Right at 103. Again. Go ahead and back it out.
Order 2 new Range Rovers too.
Really?
New Defender 988.
Yeah.
I'll bring it in to you.
Yeah, bring it in, please. Sounds phenomenal. He's gonna bring us his Range Rovers next. Can't wait. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside.